What is up, YouTube? And welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. Today it's time to give our Jaguar a nice clean from the inside and the outside. We got our chair back from the repair shop, so it's time to throw that one in. But first we need to clean out the entire carpet and all the other things. Also give her a nice clean on the outside, because unfortunately we are still waiting on some last few parts so we can get her past the inspection. So instead of getting our hands dirty, it's time to get our hands clean. Ooh, she's already shiny, but now it's time to get her in the garage, get that top open and throw in the seats. But first we need to clean it up. Okay guys, so we got her in the garage, and as you can see, this very hand-built design chair is going to be out of the Jaguar soon. Then we can clean her up, because we got some tiny bullets here. We got some McDonald's, a nice cigarette. So what we're going to do now is take out the passenger seat as well, and then get to clean the complete interior, because it's dirty, guys. Also under this seat we got some goodies as well. We got some receipts. We got some beer that has been drank here. A toothpick. Nice card. Some more receipt. Dirty napkin. A straw. And we found a nice necklace as well. This is all going into the trash can. So let's get the vacuum cleaner and clean this all out. Some Pringles. Someone wants to smoke? Whoa, do you think this is from a Rolex? And this car is already making us money, guys. Okay guys, so we cleaned most of the interior. It's now 2:30 a.m. We're tired as hell, so we're going to call it a night. Get back tomorrow, clean out the seats, throw the seats in, and show you the beautiful result. So see you guys tomorrow. Okay guys, so it's the next day. It's time to clean out the chairs and throw them in the Jaguar. Okay guys, so we got the seat in, back from repair, and as you can see absolutely nothing of the old damage where it was all ripped apart due to the airbag. So it's now time to clean her up. So we got the seats cleaned as well. So now it's time to reinstall them inside the car. Okay guys, so we cleaned out the complete Jaguar and it looks absolutely amazing. Maybe we can do some final touches, but that's something that we do off camera. With that being said guys, this is the end of this video. If you like our videos, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. And also make sure that your post notifications are on as well, so you don't miss out on any new video. Thanks for watching and hopefully see you guys in our next video.
Hope they won't shoot me.